Yo, what is up? So in this video, um, I have these four games that the agent, which is simply this AI that I used a deep neural network to train, are trying to play. So it's Snake, Tic Tac Toe, and Flappy Bird, and then it's Pawn. So then we will see how good these agent will do compared. Actually, should I compare it to me? And then I will compare it later with how good I does it. So you see, okay, so the Flappy Bird agent is learning very quickly, and the score function doesn't really work, which I don't know why, but it's alright. The Flappy Bird agent is learning quickly since Flappy Bird is like the probably the easiest game. The snake, the snake game, it's also learning quite quickly. I will say. Okay, the pawn game is very weird. I will say, like I don't really know what they're doing. I mean, it got one hit. That's pretty impressive. Okay. There's like nothing that's I just don't think the Pong game is really working well. I don't know why. It's like it just looks so not smooth. Okay, the tic tac toe it's taking a long time to load since uh it's not really internet or anything, but just that the neural net can only it's like can only make valid moves. I'll not really get in depth into these like code. So I have the snake. So the currently I'm just using for all of them I'm just using a multi-layer perceptron, which just mean a deep neural network. I I also created another one using convolution neural network, but that will be like maybe next video. And then this is a Flappy Bird. Not bad. This is a pawn game. This is a tic tac toe. So I will say that for all of these, so for the pawn game, I just like developed it myself. I spent like 5 minutes, like 10 minutes on this, so it's kind of ass. This Flappy Bird game, like I also did it on myself. It's pretty good, but I honestly think it's because Flappy Bird is like the easiest game in all of them, because all the agent need to learn is that go under the top pipe and go above the bottom pipe. And because they're also training a neural network, so the game is quite slow. Alright. And then the snake game. It's actually very easy for at the start for the snake, but then when I get like longer, like when I get to like 25 blocks, it gets so much harder for the snake since the possibility that the snake will just hit himself will be like incredibly large, and it's hard for the neural network to develop a strategy to not hit itself since the information I passed to the snake is not that good. And the snake game I developed it with ChatGPT, and the tic tac toe one I used Cloud to just see which one of them are better and which one of them can actually beat me as an experienced human player in all of these games. But honestly, I will say that uh the pawn game it's probably will probably just beat me because I don't play the pawn game. And also after the agent just learns this insanely well strategy which is to just stay with the height of the ball, which will make it impossible for me to beat. The snake game is possible to beat, which, yeah, I think I can get like 30 points or so. Tic tac toe, I believe I can beat this agent, since I would say I'm quite an experienced tic tac toe player. I don't really think I can beat the ultra maxed out Flappy Bird, since just like the Pong game, all you really need to do is stay down at the top pipe and stay above the bottom pipe, which will be an insanely simple but useful strategy. Alright, let's just try these games out first. Alright, so I will just let you guys see what it is like after a long training session. Wow, that's like okay. It's like 17 or something. So the pawn game. Let's run this. So another instance. This is like the actually good pawn. So I'm playing. Okay, I just lost. Wait. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. All right, let's start. It'll be out of three. Best out of three. And I think so when I really talk about the two wins from our opponent, the agent, since I didn't prepare myself. All right. I don't even think like the agent can lose with this strategy. Just like move toward where the ball is. It's such of a simple but useful strategy. Maybe not 3 games. It would be so long and boring for you guys, like the audience. I will teach you guys how to write the code for each one of them next time. Yeah, in next video. Since this is a quick intro. There. Right. I'm actually doing quite well. It's like I got 12. Okay. We just lost like by an inch, by an inch. Let's see how good our of our agent are. Okay, so the tic tac toe. It's spending insanely long for like no reason. The snake is doing very well, but it trapped itself. Yeah, when it get longer, it doesn't have the information about its body. I wanted to pass the information of the whole grid to the agent, but for MLP that's not deep enough, it will be very hard to train. So yeah, I think about 20 would be the max of the snake. And okay, the pawn game is actually quite interesting. The pawn game is using self-play. Okay, so maybe they're actually not bad. Okay, I mean, I can see the pedal trying to move up and kind of predicting where the ball is going toward, but I doubt it can really catch these relationships between all the angles and the height. Let's see our Flappy Bird. Okay, our Flappy Bird is doing very bad. It's not really doing anything to be precise. It's like moving quite randomly, I will say. I don't really understand what it is trying to do. Okay, got 1 point, though the score function is not accurate. Okay, so the Flappy Bird is not doing quite well, which, yes, contradict with my prediction, but it's alright. We just need to train it more. So, it's quite easy to see that the pawn agent already beat me. Now I would try the tic-tac-toe game later. Let me try the snake. Pretty sure I have a snake. The snake agent. Where's the snake game? Okay, this is a best model, but that's not important. What is important is that where did my main function go? Okay, I do not know. This is not correct, bruh. But what is alright is that we can just go to cloud. Is it working? I hope it is. Why is it taking so long to load? Is it because like training these are actually taking up so much? Like, alright. Alright, so let's just get into it. Create. Create an snake game. Okay, it's taking insanely long to load. Oh my god. With oh my god, with Pi game. Not not JavaScript. So I will say that I spend the longest time on the snake game, and then it's like the Flappy Bird, and then it's like the pond game. I spent like actually 20 minutes, and for the tic tac toe, I just told Claude to write it, and I will say it's like better than expected because I will. I mean, I did spend like 20 minutes to just debugging and stuff. But if I will write all those code, I think it would be hard for me to do so. What the? Alright, we got 2 points already. It's so basic that I need to keep track of it myself. 4 points. 5 points. 6 points, yes. 7 points. 8 points. Alright, I think we can get 9 points. Yeah, I'm pretty good at Snake, I would say. Alright, I believe... What the... Alright, the code that Cloud wrote is quite bad, I will say. Where's the... Okay, it's using Q. And then see that, my fault. But it's alright, let's just go to Snake. Alright, let's go here. Actually, better Snake. Let me see how much points I will get and compared to the max points the Snake will get. We don't really talk about this. Let me restart. And talking about which the max that this MLP Snake got is pretty sure 27. But I didn't really spend an insanely long time to train it. I spent like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Okay, so what our goal is to get more than 27 to show that we're better than this snake agent that we trained for 30 minutes. I feel confident. This is like my only attempt. My last attempt. Okay. I used to like just play this game. Just fun. What the? Alright, I will say, I can beat that score. It's just I'm too busy talking. So let's see. I'll give this snake 3 attempts to get the best score. We don't really talk about the 27. Not the newest version. Okay, Attempt 1, 15. So I'm winning. Attempt 2, 8. I'm still winning. Attempt 3 is like 0. What the hell? Alright. So I beat it, the snake. Like easily. No doubt. So I won against the snake. I lost against this pawn game. Cause like in a snake game, it requires a lot of hard thinking. Well, on the pawn game, if you have just that strategy, it's just you cannot lose, and it's just about small mistakes, which humans tend to make a lot. All right, our Flappy Bird is still doing very bad, which is good for me because I'm a human. All right, so let's go to Flappy Bird AI. Okay, so wait, is oh shoot, I forgot to do that. Okay. That's not good, but alright, we cannot tell Cloud to write that since we need to prove that we are better than Cloud, right? Not really, but actually, my thinking is too limited. Is my PC getting hacked? What the hell? Alright, let me just close this. Alright, so let's go to the Flappy Bird. Are there like flappybird.io or something? Why do I feel like I'm getting hacked? What the 30? Alright, so the max this snake got is 32, which is crazy. I mean, that's like a lot. But a snake agent cannot consistently get this score. What the? Alright, so we just need to get like a score that's like greater than 5. Actually, 1 is good. 1 is good. So our goal is to get a score that's like higher than 3 to assert our dominance as a human being. This is our last attempt. Actually, this is the last attempt. What the hell? What the? Alright, this is the actual last attempt. Okay. Okay, so I lost to this pawn game. I lost to this snake game. Now let's see if we will lose to this Flappy Bird. It got 1 point already. 2 points. Oh, shoot. Okay, it got 2 points for the first attempt. 0 point for the second one. Alright, 1 point. Can it surpass me? 2 points. Okay. Alright. So, we tied with a Flappy Bird. And now let's go to our tic-tac-toe and play with this weird tic-tac-toe bot. Always go here. Okay, I think we won already, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure we won. Oh. Okay, we won. Yes, a very easy domination. So, the final point is that we lost against the pawn bot. We won against the tic-tac-toe bot. We lost against the Flappy Bird. I mean, we tied with the Flappy Bird bot. We lost with the snake bot. 33. And yeah, this is wild. If you want to um see more of these videos about training insanely good video game bot, please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you for watching. Bye.